What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Ashkeebs here. This is so scuffed. Okay, so I built this board, read some reviews on tech websites, watched some Linus Tech Tips. Holy pandas on a brass plate with some shine through keycaps. Shit's thocky as hell. Anyways, I've had it for like 2 weeks, and I've been in the hobby for like 3 weeks, and I'm bored of it. Now I think it's time for a major upgrade. Oh, so I heard that the TGR Jane was the most expensive keyboard, I think. Let's see how much it is. But I'm ballin', man. Fucking, I spent like $500 on this board. Nothing phases me. We gotta sort by relevance new. Let's see. TGR Jane V2. Let's see. Huh? What the actual fuck? $7,500? What is this shit? TGR better stand for the greatest rectangle, cause who the fuck is paying $7,000 for this? Let me find a sound test. What the hell, bro? This shit isn't even Thoccy. What the fuck? I gotta get to the bottom of this. Let's see. Jane V2 CE top mount with O-ring. Yo, this shit isn't even gasket mounted and uses O-rings. Have they not watched the Squashy Boy video saying O-rings are bad? I don't believe these idiots. I gotta let the world know. Bro, I gotta go on Keep Talk. Shit. Why would people fucking buy a top mount keyboard and O-ring like TGR? It's not even Thoccy, bro. Fuck. Okay. I gotta ping everyone to let them know the good word. Fuck, I forgot to. There we go. All right, let's go. Good. I think they understand. My work here is done. Thank God I saved all those uninformed peasants on Discord with my superior keyboard knowledge. No need to thank me. I'm just doing it what I have to for the community. Anyways, fuck that. I'm just going to buy a 65% with top right blocker with extra foam with a brass plate. That's just gonna be Thoccy beyond understanding. Now on to the keycaps. SA Cherry? Well, whatever. I don't know what that shit is, but I bought a GMK set, which is the best in the world. Should be coming soon. It's been like a month. I don't know what GB stood for when I was buying it. Probably great bargain since I saw GMK selling for like $300 on Mac Market. But I'm sure those are the thockiest since it's the most expensive. Finally for the switches, just went with these banana splits. I saw that one video on TikTok. Man, dude, these fucking Thocc, especially on a brass plate. Bought these on Mech Market, lubed and filmed for like $2 a switch. What a goddamn bargain, if I do say so myself. That was a lot of work, but I fucking did it. Finally, I built my endgame board. Well, I didn't really build it yet, but it's coming. I don't think I need anything else. I spent like fucking like $600 on this. Nah, this is gonna be the thockiest and the fucking thockiest keyboard that ever exists. I don't think I need anything else. I'm fucking done with this clown ass hobby. I should have fucking stopped. They told me to stop. Fuck. Anyways, how much was that guy selling the TGR for?